Hello, third graders. This week, we have checked our midterm homeworks. Now, let's make a revise. Perfect. Look at exercise 1. Now, here are some codes for you, and I want you to complete the questions and give the right answers. Okay, so in the first question, it says, are they surfing? This is surfing. Look at the code chart. This is surfing. So look at the picture. Are they surfing? No, they aren't. Perfect. Look at question number 2. Are they? What is this code? Are they skateboarding? Well done. Are they skateboarding in the picture? No, they aren't. Well done. Look at number 3 now. Are they ice skating? Perfect. Are they ice skating in the picture? No, they aren't. Okay, number 4. Look at the code here. Are they sailing? Well done. Are they sailing in the picture? Yes, they are. Well done, kids. Now, let's have a look at exercise 2. Let's look at these clouds and make the letters in the order, okay? So, first one. Look at the picture. What is this? It's a hill. Perfect. So, this is hill. And the arrow, where is it showing? Up. Perfect. So, up the hill. Well done. And let's have a look at number 2. What are these? These are trees. Perfect. So, what do you see here? Where are they going? It's through the trees. Well done, kids. It's through the trees. Perfect. And have a look at number 3. What is this? It's a road, right? It's a road. Perfect. So look at the arrow. Where are they going? Along the road. Perfect. Along the road. Let's have a look at number 4. What is this? These are steps. Perfect. And look at the arrow here. Where are they going? Down the steps. Perfect. Down the steps. Number 5. This is a house. Perfect. And look at the little arrow here. Where are they going? Past the house. Perfect. Past the house. Perfect. Number 6. What is this? It's a bridge. Well done. So look at the arrow. Where are they going? Over the bridge. Perfect. Over the bridge. Well done, kids. Perfect. Now, let's have a look at exercise 3. We are going to complete these sentences. Okay, look at these verbs here. Okay, so it's a she, right? It's a girl. Well done. Okay, she gets up at 7 o'clock. So, why did we say gets up? gets up. And we didn't say get up. Why? Because he, she, and it gets S, right? He gets up. She gets up. It gets up. Perfect. So, if I would use I should say I get up. But with he, she, and it, we should say she gets up. Perfect. S. Well done. Okay, number 2. Have a look at number 2. The girl here again. Go to school 8:30. So, she go to school or goes to school? Be careful with the she. Goes to school. Perfect. She goes to school at 8:30. Well done. Okay, look at the third picture. Here is the girl. And do her homework 4 o'clock. Should we say she do her homework or she does her homework? She does her homework. Well done, kids. She does her homework at 4 o'clock. Perfect. And now, let's see the next exercise. Number 4. The girl is going to sleep. So, what should we say? She go to sleep or she goes to sleep? She goes to sleep. Well done. She goes to sleep at 9:30. Perfect. Now have a look at exercise 4. Let's order the words to make questions. We will put these words into order to make a question. And then we will complete the answers. Okay. So, what does she play? She plays. Don't forget to put the S here. She plays the guitar. Well done. What does she play? She plays the guitar. What? The guitar. What? The guitar. Well done. Okay. Question number 2. We should start with WH questions, right? When does she practice? When does she practice? So when we ask when, we wonder about the time or the day, right? When does she practice? She practices on Fridays. Perfect. When we use on, we should say a day, right? On Fridays, on Mondays, on Tuesdays. We cannot say on every month. No. On Fridays, on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays. Perfect. She practices on Fridays. Perfect. The Fridays is gone. Okay, look at number 3. What should we start with? We should start with where, right? WH questions. Where does she perform? Well done. Where does she perform? Where question. We wonder about the place, right? Where? She performs at concerts. Bravo. Concerts is gone. Well done. So she performs at concerts. Look at number 4. What should we start with? A WH question. Well done, kids. What does she practice? What does she practice? What? She practices trumpet. What? Trumpet. What does she practice? She practices trumpet. Perfect. And question 5. What should I start with? WH question. Perfect. When does she perform? She performs when? I want to know the time or the day, right? She performs every month. Perfect. She performs every month. When? Every month. Perfect. And let's have a look at exercise 5. I want you to look at these pictures and read these sentences. And I want you to write true sentences for yourselves, okay? Write true sentences about you. Perfect. You can use the words in the box, okay? You can use the words in the box. Okay. He sometimes plays football on Thursdays. He sometimes plays football on Thursdays. So, how often do you play? I never play football on Thursdays. No, I never play football on Thursdays. I always play football on Thursdays. I often play football on Thursdays. I sometimes play football on Thursdays. They are all correct. Well done, kids. Number 2. She never plays the piano on Fridays. She never plays the piano on Fridays. How often do you play piano on Fridays? I never play piano on Fridays. I sometimes play the piano on Fridays. I often play the piano on Fridays. I always play the piano on Fridays. They're all correct. But be very careful. She never plays and I never play, okay? We use the S with only he, she, it. We never use the S with I, you, they, we, okay? We never use S. So, I never play, not place, okay? Play. Perfect. Look at number 3 now. He always reads comics on Saturdays. He always reads comics on Saturdays. So, kids, how often do you read comics on Saturdays? I always read. Be careful, not reads, read. I always read comics on Saturdays. I often read comics on Saturdays. I never read comics on Saturdays. I sometimes read comics on Saturdays. They are all correct answers. Okay. So number 4. She often plays video games on Sundays. So kids, how often do you play video games on Sundays? I always play video games on Sundays. Be careful. not place. No, play. Perfect. All of them are correct answer. I always play video games. I often play video games. I never play video games. I sometimes play video games. They are all correct answers. Well done. And number 6, exercise number 6. I want you to look at these photos of instruments, okay? Number 1 is guitar. Perfect. So, what is number 2? It's a trumpet. So, how do we spell trumpet? T-R-U-M-P-E-N-T. Perfect. Trumpet. Look at number 3. What is this instrument? It's a keyboard. Perfect. So how do we spell keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-N-D. Perfect. Well done, kids. Number 4. What is this instrument? It's a saxophone. Perfect, kids. How do we spell saxophone? It's S-A-X-O-P-H-O-N-E. Perfect. Saxophone. Well done. Look at number 5. What is this instrument? Drums. Well done. So how do we spell drums? D-R-U-M-S. Perfect. Drums. So have a look at number 6. What is this instrument? It's a flute. Perfect. So how do we spell flute? F-L-U-T-E. Perfect. Flute. And look at number 7. What is this? Cymbals. Perfect. Cymbals. So how do we spell cymbals? It's a C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Perfect. Cymbals. And look at number 8. What is this? It's a recorder. Well done. So how do we spell recorder? R-E-C-O-R-D-E-R. Perfect. Recorder. Well done, kids. Thank you so much for watching your review video. I hope you enjoy your weekends. I love you so much. Goodbye.